Hello, future designers and developers, and welcome to our last section, which is this nice gallery at the bottom of our Tacolicious Tacos page. So it consists of 8 images in 4 columns and 2 rows. I didn't draw out the grid because it's a fairly obvious grid. So we're going to be using this to create our page. So let's get right into it and see what I have inside my HTML. So in HTML, because I'm not throwing any text on these images whatsoever, they are all just their own image. So I've got a div with our class of section 4. Each of our images are in their own div, yes, but they are all images on their own. They have a class that is our gallery image, and then they have our source right there. Again, I'm not writing on these, so we don't need to use that background property and set our images back there. They're already on our page. They're huge and unwieldy, but that's all right. Unwieldy? All right. So we're going to set up that grid inside of section 4. So inside of section 4, let's do a display of grid. And then we are going to have our grid template columns. And we've got 4 that we all want to be equal size. I shouldn't say we all want, maybe I want them to be equal size, but we're gonna have 4 that are all 1FR. Cool. And then we can get into our grid template rows, because we are going to have 2 rows and each of these are 1FR. We could do the repeat there, but it's faster now. And you can see, holy cow, look at that. It's looking pretty good already. That's really about all that we needed to do. We are going to add in a gap of 10 pixels and a margin top of 10 pixels as well. See, yeah. I mean, that looks pretty good. I mean, sure, let me preview it. Close preview pane, preview in a new window. Here we go. Let me resize this just a little bit. Cool. Yeah. I mean, that's really it. That's what it looks like. Let me close preview. And there are little things that I can do and adjust, and you can make these changes if you need them. Oh, this, I just got to refresh it. Cool. So we got those, like the gaps in between our grids, I think are actually doubled instead of how I have it. So if you take a look over here, yeah, you can see the gaps in between the grids are doubled or maybe even tripled what we have in between the grid items. But other than that, it's looking pretty dead on for what we got. So please reach out if you have any questions, but hopefully that helps. I'll talk to you later. Bye.